Hey everyone, Clara Bastos here, and today I'm bringing you a true digital struggle, fully investigated with bugs, confusion, and the classic meta maze. Here's what happened. Our director, yes, him again, spent the whole morning trying to delete a Facebook account. He followed all the standard tutorials step by step. Tap the 3 lines in the corner, Settings and Privacy, Settings, see more in Account Center, Personal Details, and there, in theory, you should find Account Ownership and Control, which is where you can permanently delete your account. And yes, that's the default path shown in almost every tutorial online. We even tested it on an old account, and it worked just fine. But when he created a new account, surprise, the option under Personal Details was gone. Just completely missing. The account ownership and control section wasn't there at all. Result? Hours trying to figure out whether it was a bug, meta playing hardball, or just a tutorial trap. And here's the weirdest part. The option was hidden in a totally different place. The alternative path that actually worked was this. 1. Go to the Account Center. 2. Completely ignore the Personal Details section. 3. Scroll all the way down. 4. Tap Accounts. Yes, the one that's supposed to be just for adding or removing linked profiles. 5. Inside that section, you'll see Review the accounts you have in this account center. Important. Ignore the blue Add More Accounts button. It won't help here. And there it is, finally, the magic option, Account Ownership and Control, with the options to delete, deactivate, or assign a legacy contact for your Facebook account. So basically, even if you follow the tutorial exactly, Meta might change where things show up, especially if your account is new. Could be a bug, a layout transition, or maybe just a sneaky way to make it harder to delete your account. Who knows? So, here's a heads up. If you don't see Account Ownership and Control under Personal Details, try going through the Accounts section instead. In the end, our director did manage to delete the account, but only after digging through every part of his phone, his desktop, and almost losing his sanity in the process. And you? Have you ever faced a bug like this? Drop a comment below and tell us about your own saga trying to escape Meta's account loop. I'm Clara Bastos, and this was another real digital survival story here on MUNDO-XP. See you on the next Tech Mess!